Welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your graph issues in the Labelizer. So there are three topics that I want to discuss. The first one is why your graphs are not working in the sheet, how to fix your graphs, and third, using filters to segment your graphs. First of all, if you look into your sheet, you can see that some of the graphs are not working when you set up your script. That is because you need to enable some things. Or you have enabled too much in your filter settings. It will show an error or it says add a series to start visualizing your data. So there are three steps that you need to do to fix this. First is head over to your script config. You can here enable advanced graphs and set it to true. Once you have done that, you need to run the script again and then it will populate the graphs. Keep in mind that setting the advanced graphs is a function that takes a lot of time to process. So it's only recommended to set it up up till 10,000 or 5,000 products. And then your script should be working with the graphs. It can also happen that you set too much filters in the filters configuration for your graph segment overview. If you enable too much of them, some of the products will not show in the graphs and it will show that you need to add a series to visualize the graph. What you then need to do is disable some of the filters and then it should be working again. And that was everything for this video. I hope you find this very useful. If you have another question, you can just ask in the comments below. Thank you.